Hey guys, back with another video, and today I'll be showing you the new, improved Tower of Terror. Basically, everything is the same, except the new 5th floor. As you can tell, there's kind of new features, and honestly, in my opinion, it's really cool. So, up here, we got the Niffler's Little Throne. Now, I'll be going through the entire puzzle, but stick around so then you can see it open once again. Okay, so we got a little Niffler up here. But before we do that, I want to open this. Now, this looks like it can come out, but it can't move. This also looks like it can come out. And this can also wiggle a bit. But actually, what you want to do is you want to take the tool, you want to put it in this hole here. Pull it out like that. Then, now, you may remove this piece here. Put that off to the side there. Now, once you've done that, you can take the other tool, this tool here, and you can put it in this hole, which then you use to remove that. Then, after you have that out, you can actually slide this out of the way. Now, once you have that, you can try to kind of grab that, but it's not as good. And if you go to the back, this pops out here. And now, after you've done that, this clears up the path for the Niffler. So, take the Niffler off his throne, put him down, and then you navigate him back. Now he's on floor 4. That is the new floor 5. Now on to floor 4. So, as we all know, we flip it upside down to get it in there. Push. Go through here. Poke out the wall. Get it down here. Oh, I didn't reset this all the way. Turns out I didn't reset it at all. And now he's on floor 2. So, spin it. Yeah, I think he's on floor 1 now. So if we do the shortcut way, all you gotta do is kind of tip it this way, turn the dial a little bit, this comes out, shake it a bit. Here's the Niffler. That is once again the Tower of Terror. For level 5, we spent a long time remodeling it, and just for better experience. Yeah, it took a lot more time, but it was pretty good. Not bad at all. This thing, it's floor 5 is much better than it was now. Now it's more of a puzzle, which is what we want. So I'm resetting it right now. Okay, now floor 3 is reset. Floor 4 is already reset. Floor 5 is pretty easy to reset. Just push this back, slide this back, put this in like so. Then you take this, you insert it in this hole here. Then you take the tool and slide this back. Niffler's on his throne. That is the Tower of Terror. draft 2. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.